Is the phenotyping technology suitable for my species? Most likely, yes. Let's have a closer look why. Hello, this is Jansen from LemnaTec. When I'm speaking to customers, a very frequent question is whether the LemnaTec phenotyping technology is suitable for a certain species. So the question, have you ever phenotyped, let's say, rice or barley, or whatever other plant the customer is working with? They want to know, is the imaging and image processing able to cope with that species? That's a very valid question. And technically, for the camera and for the software processing the images, it doesn't matter whether you have a cabbage plant, a tomato plant, a barley plant, or an ornamental or whatever. As long as you get it on the image, the software can also process the image and detect the plant versus the background, measure the plant, extract phenotypic features from that plant in the image. So hardware and software are not restricted to certain plant species. They are broadly applicable to almost any species. The important point, as mentioned, is, can you get the part of the plant or the interesting feature of the plant that you are investigating onto the image? So preparing the sample in the right way and placing it in front of the camera. And the second part is applying the right image processing algorithms to get the data that you desire out of the image. As a scientist, I'm regularly screening the scientific literature and checking for publications that are delivered by our customers. Customers use LemnaTec hardware software to phenotype plants and publish the results. So there is a big stock of publications available, more than 450 single publications that describe the use of LemnaTec hardware software in plant phenotyping. And among those publications, there are over 80 species and varieties that have been investigated with that technology. So that means not only on the technical level, it is very likely that the hardware and software does the job as you are planning. There are also a lot of proofs from the scientific community that this technology is really applicable for a very broad range of species. So if you are looking for more information, let's talk about it. What is your idea in phenotyping? What are you planning to investigate? And what are the traits that you are interested in? Reach out to me, reach out to LemnaTec, and we speak about your plant phenotyping application and project.